Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna dive into something special and I believe super exciting. And that is the secret to making mind-blowing videos from scratch. This is Videography 101 with J.August. You wanna hang around to the end because I got a final tip. It's something that I think you won't see coming. Hey everyone, my name is Jay. I am a creative entrepreneur here in the Atlanta area and owner of J.August Media, where we believe that every creator has the right to showcase their work. So first up, let's talk gear. Now, don't stress. You don't need to have a Hollywood budget. Just get a smartphone and you'll be perfect. A stack of books can even serve as a makeshift tripod. Real magic isn't really in the equipment. It's knowing how to use what you have and to use it to its fullest potential. So are you intrigued yet? Stick around, I got some more. Now that you've got your camera, your cell phone, let's focus on how you position it. This is what we call framing. There's this rule called the rule of thirds. Now imagine breaking your screen into 9 equal parts, simply like a grid. Place your subject where those lines intersect. It will make your shots way more interesting, but hey, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Just pay attention to what you're watching now and just notice how they position the subject in different parts of the frame. After we have the camera and our framing, let's move on to lighting. You don't need to splurge on expensive studio lights like what I have here. Simple, natural light, it will work wonders. Position yourself so the light falls on your face, similar to how I have this very large light coming on at the side of my face. Just make sure that it's not behind you. So this is a quick tip. If you're taking an image or you're taking a portrait, you let the window sit in front of you, not behind you. You're gonna come out super dark because it's compensating for the light in the back. Now going back to what I was saying, let the light fall on your face. It will make your video look sharp and it will make it look very professional. Static shots are good, but a little movement, it adds some spice. A little pan to the left or a gentle tilt upwards can create excitement. And here's a cool hack. You can even use a chair with wheels to achieve that smooth gliding shot. It's similar to a dolly on set or a gimbal if you're in person. No fancy, trust me, no fancy equipment is needed for this. Now let's talk audio. That's my favorite, actually, by the way. A killer video needs clear sound. If you're shooting on a phone, you can enhance the quality just by filming in a quiet space, or if you're up for it, an affordable microphone could just be a great investment for your videos. So once you got your shots, your audio, your lighting, your framing all done, it's time to move on to editing. Think about editing as putting the pieces to the puzzle all together. Editing apps like Canva, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere are perfect ways to get all those clips into a program and arrange them all together to tell that story that you're trying to portray. Now, there's certain ways that people do it and there's certain ways that people will not do it. But this is where you jump in and you put your creative spin on however that you're gonna edit your videos. Let's talk about B-roll footage. You ever see those quick cutaways in videos that show something other than the main subject? Well, guess what? That's B-roll. Adding B-roll adds layers to your videos. It makes it more engaging. Take a look at this video. You're not just only seeing my face, but you're seeing different cuts from different things. Some people call it the production value. We call it shifting focus. No, I'm just joking. Think about it as giving your story the perfect accessories for its outfit. If you're shooting a vlog or interview or maybe a little skit, different videos call for different approaches. In vlogs, you want to make sure that you're the star. In interviews, the spotlight's on your guests. Learning to adapt is key. And here we go. The moment you've been waiting for. The ultimate tip is practice. I know, trust me, it's unbelievable, isn't it? But practice isn't just something that you do, it's everything that you do. The more videos you make, the more skilled you become. And it's that simple. So there you have it. Just go out there, start filming and let your creativity soar. There's no boundaries on things that you can and cannot do. So if this video gave you value, go ahead and smash that like button and share this with somebody that you believe could benefit just from hearing these things. Here at J.August Media, we just always want to tell you one thing, and that is make sure that you are posting your content to let clients know that you are in the business to do business. It's not all about going viral, but it's coming down to the ability just to make sure that you are remaining relevant in your customers' eyes. So I want you guys to go out there, keep those cameras clicking, and I'll see you in the next video.